It's a really beautiful process being able to watch students as they're starting their practicum with so much anxiety and worry about where will I go, how will I do this, and then at the end they realize that they're really fantastic therapists and they have their choice of jobs.
CIIS graduates have such an excellent reputation in community mental health, and graduates from all of the concentrations are working as clinicians and supervisors and managers, and so we have a really great network I think throughout the Bay Area and perhaps even throughout California.
Since being at PSC, I feel much more confident and secure in my role as a psychotherapist, and I feel like I can offer my clients a much more knowledgeable and personable psychotherapy.
Bueno, en cuanto a los, tanto el staff como los estudiantes, los interns o practicum students que vienen, buscamos que no solamente vengan con la teoría y con la mente, pero también que puedan poner el corazón en el trabajo y que puedan conectar con esa persona que está en el otro lado, específicamente con las personas de la comunidad latina que son con quienes nosotros trabajamos.
We currently have 6 drama therapists in the Bay Area, and they're all graduates of CIIS.